Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Hope you all are doing good, guys. So market is in a very good level now. So what happened today morning, it gapped down, and it gave us this. I entered only at 9:45, 9:30. Okay, after this low was broken, I entered here. That is exactly this first candle's low was broken, I entered here. This was my stop loss. I had 75 point of stop loss, which is totally fine. Now I'm sitting at 1 is to 1.5. My first target will be at 21765. Okay, this will be my first target, and my second target will be 21580. I am negative about the market. It's because it has broken this trend line. We have to wait for it to show some positive sign, then we can trade on the buy side. Okay, for now it's on sell side. That is Nifty. Next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, this trend line is being respected properly. If you guys see this, see, it took a rejection exactly from this trend line, and I did enter a trade here, and I kept my stop loss above all this order blocks, and it hit it, and then it came down. Tomorrow again, if it closes or if it gaps down and comes up, I'll be selling it. So 46315 and below, I'll be looking forward to short it. Okay, that's for Bank Nifty. Next is US oil. As per plan, US oil is still going up. Now this level has been taken out. This is really good, and it has crossed this candle. I was waiting for this candle to cross. It has crossed it. So I'm gonna buy here, and this will be my stop loss. 40 point of stop loss. My target will be here. Okay, so now I'm adding more position at $82 and 80 cents. Okay, 80 cents, that's it. Okay, I've added it. Let's see how this goes. My stop loss only 40 points here, guys. So third trade in US oil. First, we're already holding this 1:7. Second, we are holding this one, which is at 1:3. Now we enter it again here. Okay, gold, I had a SL here yesterday. It looks like it can come down. There's a probability it can come down, so let's get rid of this. Again, the same level, guys. Only if it breaches below 2145, I'll be looking forward to sell it. My buy position is only above 2160. Okay, nothing before that. So that's it for today's video, guys. I have uploaded a short about how I get stocks for swing trading. Okay, that's a very simple short. You can see it. It is informative. All the settings are also mentioned below. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope this is informative for you guys, and this is just a tip, not a recommendation or a call. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe, and please share as much as possible. Only then I'll be having growth in my channel. Okay, thank you so much. Take care. Bye.